just out of curiosity, are all the innovations that you do mainly to make something better? It sounds like it's to make something easier and better for people.
Yeah, so that's the core of innovation, but that's actually what you just said is a good start, but it's not good enough. New technology has to be better, faster, easier. Yes, yes, yes. It also has to cost less. You can't get traction with a new technology. You can't fight the status quo on what's embedded and entrenched in a market unless the cost is lower. So it has to be significantly better, faster, all the things you mentioned, but it also has to be lower cost. And in terms of IP, in terms of intellectual property, we have, as of today, 39 patents. In September, I think we'll have 41 filed patents. Find me another home builder with one patent, and it tells you the level of innovation. Find me one home builder with a patent. And I don't mean some guy building whatever they're building. I mean a developer, some of the large name developers that you mentioned earlier. Why don't, the automotive industry, the Silicon Valley, everybody has lots of patents. They're constantly innovating, but not the housing. It's a big fat zero. We have 41. We will eventually, in a couple of years, have hundreds of mechanical patents filed. There's really no end to the innovation. We just see inefficiency everywhere and everywhere. And we're just getting started. And we have a roadmap to go right down to a very granular level: windows, doors, kitchens, closets, everything. The way we build stairs today, it's all very labor intensive. It's all designed to be installed in the field. It's not thought through from a point of installation in a factory. So patents and innovation, design, we are a design company. Everything has to be beautiful. That's what we do. And just one step at a time. The next step for us is, as I said, to go from 0 to 1, start delivering these beautiful studio homes for folks, and then scale, scale, scale.